Hi guys, how are you all? Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Let's go. Okay. Swarit is in here. Huh? Swarit, I saw your testama. As I said, right, I don't have the answers, so I will let you know.
Okay.
You got what I mean? Meaning, it's a new mock test. You get it? Huh?
Yeah.
So either I will work it out or I will post your answers and get the real answers. Make sense?
Yeah.
I'll get that for you shortly. How was it? How was the test?
It was like okay. Not too easy, not too hard.
I see. Good to know. Okay.
There were some questions where I was a bit confused on though. So,
I see. We can discuss that or we can discuss that later as well. For me, anything works.
okay.
Give me. Okay, guys. Can we move on? Okay. Did you try to research with Alchemist, any of you?
Well, I requested access for the test.
What, ma?
Requested access for the test. It wasn't letting me do it.
You have to be a little clear, ma. I'm not hearing you. What is it?
I requested access for the 2025 mock test, but it wasn't letting me
Request
do
access.
it.
Did you request access?
Yes.
Okay, Google Forms changed something recently. It is making you ask for access, and once you ask for access, you know, oh my gosh. Hey guys, can you hear me?
Yes.
No. See, my system got rebooted as soon as I connected to the second. Sorry about it, guys. On. Okay. What was the question that you had? Any questions that you had till now? that you would like to discuss? Definitely you would have had questions. But would you like to discuss? Guys, would you like to discuss any questions? You have to answer me.
Auntie,
Yeah, go ahead.
I'm doing basic probability in alchemist,
You want
and
to share?
I'm confused on this question.
Very good. Share. Share, Amma.
Okay.
Let's all work it out together as we do in the other class. Oh, wow. Let's do it. Let's try. Megan has lost Okay. Megan has lost Fatima's phone number. Megan knows the first 3 digits are either this or this. The remaining 4 digits, and she isn't sure which order it is. If Megan randomly dials a 7-digit number that meets these conditions, what is the probability that she dials the correct number? Okay. Okay, can I write on your board?
Yeah.
Who would solve this? Meaning, who would like to come up with suggestions? Guys, if only you get your videos on, it'll be more productive. Okay, doesn't matter, right? I have told you, doesn't matter. It's more of an informal class. So only,
It's
only
just seven.
Yeah, it'll be more interactive.
It's just 7-digit numbers, so like
Yeah, very nice, Swarit.
3, 4, 5,
5,
6, 7. And then
It's not for me, guys. Understand you. It's you who's going to learn more. So I thought, okay, yeah, go ahead.
the first 3 digits are either 296 or 29. So
So there are 2 casework. It's a casework. Casework. Okay. 296. Okay, and the other is 299.
9,
Mm-hmm.
9.
Mm. The
0,
4
1,
digits are 0167. It can be in any order, right? So how
yeah,
many possibilities are there? 4,
4, and
3,
then 2,
2,
4
1.
factorial.
Correct. Correct. So go ahead. So 4 factorial should be multiplied by 2. Do you get it?
So that's 24, 48.
Wait, I'm not able to write on your screen. I don't know why though. I don't know why. Okay, as usual, I'll take a screenshot. Wait, can I take a screenshot of this, Swarit?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, so 4 factorial times 2, right? We will just do it and see. 4 factorial times 2, 4 3s are 12, 12 2s are 24, 24 times 2. What was the answer you tried? Oh, you tried 8. Oh, wow. Okay, wait. Megan knows that the first 3 digits are either 296 or 299. The remaining 4 digits are 0167, but she isn't sure the odd. You know what? Okay, sorry, I know what you did. What is the probability they have asked? You have, I told yesterday class, you remember probability, the answer
Yeah.
will be a fraction. So what you should do? 48 out of what?
Out of
Out of what? 48 out of okay. No. Think about it. What is the probability she dials the correct number? So what should be the answer? Approximately, meaning somebody pitch in, guys. He's really bringing up a good problem.
Is it 4 factorial divided by 2 over 7 factorial?
1, no. Anika, repeat, ma.
Is it 4 factorial divided by 2 over 7 factorial?
Why amma 2 factorial over 7 factorial, all that?
Oh, 4 factorial divided by 2 because you already know like 2, 9.
No, but this is a
5.
phone number, right, ma? This is a phone number. It can be in any order. So whatever, okay. Swarit, now I'm able to write. Can I write it?
yeah.
So the thing is, Anika, 1 minute, I did not get your thought process. I would like to hear, okay? But let me also explain. Maybe when I explain, you will have different thoughts. You let me know. Okay. So here he wrote it correctly. So there are two possibilities here. Okay. Meaning this three, meaning this can be 296, and then any combinations of this, meaning 4 factorial, 4 times 3, 12, 12 times 2, 24 possibility, 24 choices are here that can be combined with this. And 24 choices are here that can be combined with this. Okay. So totally there is 48. That's what I'm also getting. But then they have asked for the probability, not the number of combinations. Probability, the correct number is just one. One way of ordering it only is her number, right? Out of a total of how many, Swarit? How many possibilities are there?
Like in total,
Yeah,
48.
yes. So one number out of 48, right? So type it in and then I'll answer Anika's question.
1 out of 48.
Yeah, right.
Okay.
Sometimes these questions are tricky. Fine, let's see. But this is not a tricky one, I feel. Let's see.
Okay. I need to stop sharing because my one key doesn't work.
Okay, no problem. You can stop sharing and try.
Mm.
Did you get it?
Yeah, it's correct.
Can you share it with us? I want Anika's doubt to be cleared. Or
Okay.
anybody else is asking, having a question, I want that to be cleared. Okay, so he got that. So did you understand, Swarit, what was the problem? They asked for a probability of given the number of ways. Okay, same thing they did. Anika, how did you get that, ma? What made you to say 4 factorial by 2 factorial, 7 factorial? Can you let me know? Meaning, this is a 7-digit number, ma.
Yeah,
So
I forgot it's in a phone number, so it doesn't have to be seven.
you understand now what are the
Factorial.
two possibilities for this?
Yeah.
And then 4 factorial ways are there for this. So you need to multiply them. You got it? Meaning, it can be 296, 299. Okay, if it is a 296, it can be any combination of 0, 1, 6, 7. It can be 0. See, with this number constant, there can be 6 ways of arranging these 3 numbers. And then with this number is constant, there can be 6 ways of arranging. So a total of 6, 6, and then this will be the first number, 6 ways of arranging. And then this will be the first number, 6. So 24 ways are there. 24 ways for each of the two combinations. So 48 different possibilities are there and only one will work. Do you get it? Okay. Okay. Swarit, do you want to go to the next problem or can I go on? I have some problems to do today.
Okay.
You want to?
If you want, you can.
Try one more. Try one more. We'll get it. Probability when you come. Aha, that's a hard one. You want to try? This is
Sure.
probability. Remember, a standard deck of 52 cards had 13 ranks and 4 suits. Such that there is exactly one card for any given rank or suit. Okay, 2 of the suits are black and 2 of the suits are red. How many do not know this, guys? How many do not know about cards? All of you know about cards? Have you played playing cards?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, good. Because without knowing, you can't solve any of these problems. You have to go open a pack of cards and I don't know, guys. Today my internet, internet is good, but for some reason it got me disconnected out again. Did you think about it, guys? You can have an interactive way of solving it. Go ahead.
I thought about it and I was thinking, so there's 3 cards, right? Jack, Queen, or King.
Ah,
And then there's 2 colors, red and black, so times 2, that's 6.
correct. Good
And
job.
And
Ah.
then there's 4 suits, right? So then that would be 24.
Wait. Why 24? Oh, yeah.
There's
Okay.
4 suits, right? And then it's 24 out of 52, and then we just need to simplify that.
Okay. Wait. Sorry, before I move to the problem, right? Something came up, latex code. Can you show me that? What did come up? I want to show you what is
It's
that.
just this
You
thing.
know what is this? You know what is this?
No.
Okay, guys. As you move up right into your college or into your high school, right? Learning to write in latex, if you're a little math oriented kid, you should know to write in latex. You know what does this do?
No.
This produces the symbol, spade. If you whatever writer you, so see, when you write down $/ suit dollar, it will appear as a spade. So this is like a programming language where you learn to write these. You get it?
Yeah.
So okay, let's see. Let's see. Come to your answer. Just copy that $ spade suit. Okay. Copy that, put it in here, enter in the answer. This editor, this answer editor supports latex. Copy that in here. See? You get it?
Yeah.
Okay. If you type hard suit, it will support hard suit. Okay, now go. So now let's go ahead with the question. Latex is a separate language you can learn. Go ahead. அப்ப நான் வந்து பண்றேன். Go ahead, guys. A standard deck of 52 cards. Okay, so go ahead. Each one has four suits. What happens now?
So, and then since there's 3 cards, 2 suits, or two colors,
Uh-huh.
and 4 suits, that would equal to 24. And then since there's 52,
One, how is this 24? Educate me.
so there's 3 cards, right?
Yeah.
And then there's 2 colors. So 3 times 2 is 6. And then there's 4 suits. So
One minute. Wait. See, I didn't get that. Wait. What is the probability that it can be a jack spade, jack clover, jack diamond? Okay, four. Four of this. How did you get a 24? Can you explain again?
So there's 2 colors. So you get 12. So you got 12 here, and then there's 2 colors.
What are these? This is a heart. This is a spade. This is a clover.
Yeah, and then it could also be in red or black, right?
Very good job. Very good job. Nice. Go ahead.
So would that be in 24?
Agree. Agree. Wait. Black or white. It can be a black or white. Not really. Why do you think so?
Cause it says oh wait, it's 2 of the suits. Never mind.
Yeah, because this
Okay.
too, I accounted for both. You accounted for under both, right?
Yeah.
Exactly, Anika. Your question is correct. Go ahead. So, what should be the answer? Send me your answers. Let me see. After that, we'll push it in.
Then
All
that would just be
done.
12 out of 52, I think. And then simplify.
Uh-huh.
Scratch that.
Uh-huh.
Then simplify.
Anika, is your simplification correct now? Speaker, you seem to be right. Speaker, you seem to be all set for geometry. Yeah, correct, Madhya. Correct, Shrikar. Others, Vishrant, try Vishrant. I'll help you in saying. So, Swarit, what is your answer?
Oh,
Swarit, very nice bringing these questions to the class.
1/4.
Huh?
1/4.
1/4, Amma.
I think so.
I don't know. Yeah, Anika, send it to me.
No, hold on. 3 out of 13.
Correct. Type it in. Let's see whether it's correct.
I need to.
Oh, okay. No problem. We understand. But show us after you do.
Okay.
Guys, are you getting a hang of some basic combinations probability? I think you are, right? Yeah. It takes time, I promise. Okay. That is why we are reworking on that. It takes time. And you know what? We have not even touched AMC8 level. And it's okay as long as you get a hang of it. Okay. Can I give you problems or you want to keep going? What do you guys want to do? You can do this at home, guys. I'll keep going. I have some problems for today. Can I bring it up?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, anybody has any doubt? See, please, like this, I welcome you to come with the alchemist, ask problems that you're getting stuck. Swarit is very used to it, so he's very open to come and ask. The others do not know about it. So, Dia, you know, right? Dia, you can come and ask. Na? So what we do, they work on alchemists at home. So they will get stuck on a problem. It won't keep going. Okay, it'll ask you to give up. Instead of giving up, after they type that one answer, if they broke their head and did not know what to do, they bring it to class. Okay, and when they share screen and show, right, it'll be very nice. Meaning, it'll be very nice for the others to know how much they have done and where are they getting stuck. Am I getting it right or how to get it right? We all sit together and solve. You got it? So feel free to bring it anytime. Okay. Okay. Swarit, you want to show how much did you do? See, you'll be showing it to the others, so that way they also will show it.
But I did it in pre-algebra. Is that okay?
That's okay, doesn't matter. Oh, nice, Swarit. Oh, wow. Which is go down, go down.
This is one of the topics.
Amma, you should complete Pythagorean theorem. Sorry, Pythagorean theorem should be complete before you go for AMC8. All of this should be complete before you go for AMC8. Pythagorean theorem you have to complete, Swarit, because
Oh,
it's,
yeah.
but and counting lists you can do. See here, I have put the homework assignment for yesterday in the classroom. In the sense, you have to complete counting list. Venn diagrams you can do. See, Swarit, were these easy? The blue color lines you liked it, right?
Yeah.
See the amount of confidence you're getting now to solve these problems. You see it?
Oh, yeah.
So once you do these problems, you'll get a lot of confidence to solve these. Okay, good. Very nice. Okay, thanks for showing us. Okay. Anybody else wants to show or can I move on? I'm not expecting anybody to show because they're all new. I don't know whether you worked on it yesterday. So you can do it some other class. Can I move on? Wait, just a minute. Give me a minute. Okay. I'll share screen. Okay, let's see this problem. Okay, this one is a review problem. Okay, this one is not a new problem. Okay, from yesterday's class itself, you all would have understood this. So I expect you to solve this. Even if you solve it wrong, I'm not bothered, but you have to solve this. My expectation is for you to solve. Whether it is right or wrong doesn't matter, but you have to solve and send. There's a school race with 12 students. How many different ways to award gold, silver, bronze medals if no ties are possible? Be careful, guys, though. I don't know the answer. Wow. Swarit, good job. Dia, good job. Samantha, I'll help you for sure. Anika, I'll help you. Ma, there is only one magic bullet. Start doing the alchemist. Start doing the homework topics. Meaning, I've assigned homework in alchemist. Okay, once you start doing, automatically that confidence will come in. Swarit, correct. Dia, correct. Anika and Samantha, I'll help you. Samantha and Anika. I will put out a note to parents too on that. Oh, good job, Shrikar. Did you do alchemist, Shrikar? Yesterday you were at home, right?
Maybe. Yeah.
You did? Then you should show us, right? You're keeping quiet. Swarit was showing, right? Do you want to show what you did? No? I cannot pressurize you. If you want to say no, you can say no. Do you want to say yes or no?
I didn't do a lot, but I just did some.
What is it, ma?
I didn't alchemist, just not a lot of alchemist, because
Oh, okay. So you don't want to show. That's fine. See, I respect whatever you have. That's fine. Tomorrow you want to show, then next class.
maybe, yeah.
Sure. But do more and show so that you have a good show. Okay. Let me put out the message parent. Okay, guys. Harshita, correct. So, okay. Dia, Samantha, can I help you guys? I will help. Now, see, for me, it's only trying. Shreyank, did you get it? Vishrang, did you get it?
I'm still working on it.
You want to shout out with us? How are you thinking? There are 12 students, right? Gold, silver, bronze, right? How many choices are there for the gold? How many choices of people can get gold? You tell me, Vishrank or Samar. Please don't think you're asked to say, meaning it's just that I want you guys to get it in and catch up quickly and come along. That's it. Go ahead.
Like 12 students could get gold.
12 students can get gold, but in that 12, one got gold. So what happens? How many choices for silver?
11,
11. Here?
10.
That's it. 12 got it. So how, okay. Where was the misunderstanding? For Samantha, you can explain. Where was the misunderstanding? I want to know. One.
They were asking for how many like different ones, but now I get it.
Oh, okay.
I
How about
forgot.
you? Okay. Sorry, Ma, I talked. I intervened. I'm sorry. What is that?
I forgot that we had to take into account like if you give a gold away, then there's only 11 more options. So like you have to subtract one for every option type of thing.
Oh, got it. How about you, Anika?
I don't know why, but I did 3 factorial times 12.
Oh, okay. No problem. But did you understand how to do, Anika?
Yeah, I did. Thank
Okay.
you.
Yeah, okay. Okay, now let me go ahead. This was a review problem only, okay? So let me do some more, meaning new ones. How about this? This was an AMC, the following problem is an AMC problem that came in 2015. See, you are getting a hang of these AMC8 problems. If it is simple, you will be able to do it still with what we have done. This is an AMC8 problem. Let me see. The Dragonvale Middle School chess team consists of 2 boys and 3 girls. See, it's a little tricky though. 2 boys, 3 girls. But let me write them as B1, B2. They are different people though. A photographer wants to take picture of a team to appear in the local newspaper. She decides to have them sit in a row. They want a boy. It doesn't matter whether it is B1 or B2. They want a boy at each end. They want a boy at each end. Okay, they want a boy at each end. Oh my gosh. And 3 girls in the middle. They want a boy at each end and 3 girls in the middle. How many such arrangements are possible? Consists of 2 boys and 3 girls. She decides to have them sit in a row with a boy at each end. Okay. Okay. And you also can try, guys. You can send me answers. So now she decides to have them sit in a row with a boy at each end and 3 girls in the middle. 3 girls in the middle means?
Auntie, I think I got it.
Oh wow, Swarit, that is correct. Yeah, I'm going to ask you to fill it up.
Can I explain it after?
Oh yeah, ma, sure. Good job, guys. Okay, Diya correct, Shrikar correct. Diya, you're also doing alchemist at home, right? See, it shows. Mom told me. Samantha, can you explain how you did? I know Swarit wanted to explain. I'm going to let him explain. But Samantha, can you tell me what were your thoughts? Feel free to, ma. We all do mistakes. Don't worry about it at
There
all.
was only 2 ways that you could arrange the boys. Either the
Correct.
2 would be in the front or boy 1 would be in the front. So there's
Correct.
already, so I put a 2.
Mm.
And then I did the probability for the girls, and there's 6 ways the girls could be arranged in the middle. So I added them.
How many ways the girls can be arranged? Oh, you add. Oh, wow. Okay, I got the problem. Okay, Swarit, go ahead and explain.
Okay, so there's 5 spots. And then there's 2 boys, so but they need to
Anika,
be
correct.
like the end. So there's gonna be 1 boy's gonna sit here,
Mm-hmm.
and then they want 3 girls in the middle. So there's gonna be 3 options for this seat, 2 options for this seat, and then 1 option for this seat. And then if one boy gets chosen here, then the other boy has to get chosen here, and then you multiply all of them, and you get 12.
Anika, I'll tell you the problem. Why are we multiplying is your question, right? It's a very natural question. You have options. This place can be taken up by a B1 or a B2. Correct, Anika? Boy 1 or boy 2 can take it, right? Correct. So now for the second position, it can be a G1, G2, G3. Am I right? Anika, correct? Okay. So for the third position, if I choose B1 and a G1, it can only be G2 and a G3. Am I correct? For the third position, if I choose B1 and G2 first itself, I will have G1 and G3. Correct, Anika? So each option is having two choices. Do you see? This is G1 and G2, correct? Now for the fourth position, I already chose G1, G2. So this has to be a G3. Am I correct? If it is a G2 and a G3, this has to be a G1. G3 and a G1. G2 and a G1 means what? G3. G2 and a G3 chosen, this has to be a G2. Do you get it, guys? So there's only one option for each of the combination. Do you see it? So what happens now? You are going to multiply for these two times. This have three options. It can go with this, or this. 2 times 3 times each of this will be multiplied by 2 because each of this option has 2. Do you get it? So it is a multiplication here. Do you get it? Vishrank, are you following?
Yeah.
Okay, can I move on?
Mm.
Yeah, let's see this one. Okay, you can yourself try this one. This is not a hard one. We are yeah, try that one. Okay, next is an AMC8 problem. See, in 2015 they have given 3-4 problems in combinatorics. Same, something similar to what we are doing. They've asked. But only thing is you need to be careful. You'll get these correctly, guys. 90% you'll get these correctly. Try, only when you try, you'll get these. How many? Okay, I can give you clues for those who are stuck. How many ways are there to choose 4 balls from a bag which contains 9 balls of different color? You have to choose 4 of the balls. So basically, you have to choose whatever choice you make will be the dashes. So you have to choose 4 balls. You have to start writing the number of possibilities. Swarit, did you make a calculation mistake, Swarit? I feel like you did a calculation.
Auntie, when I multiplied that, I got this exact same answer.
But this is, you just filled in numbers and multiplied, huh? Did you do that?
Huh?
What did you do?
I did the exact same thing and then filled in how
No,
many.
I don't want to do this way for this problem, but exact same. Oh, everybody is getting the same thing. Oh my gosh. 4 balls from a bag which contains 9 balls of different color. When is answer key wrong? Let me check. I need to check. All of you give the answers, guys. I'm checking it. It's so wrong to me. Oh, you all did this. Okay, you're all forgetting something. Good job, Anika. Can you explain?
So first I did 9 factorial,
Uh-huh.
and then I did 4 factorial, and then I did that times 9 minus 4
Why did you choose this
factorial, which
way?
is 5
Okay, why
factorial.
did you choose this way? See, to choose, this is a
I
keyword.
just remember.
You
I
just
just
remember from
remember like
previous
last
class.
class.
I
They were
see.
said that
I see.
formula for the two.
I see. Okay. You know, but they all chose this way. What is the difference between these two ways? There is a big difference. This many of you got this. This Anika got this. I said this was right. What is the difference between the two? There's a big difference. Think about what is that? What is this? See, the problem is, can I go ahead and explain? The problem here is order of my choosing is critical, is important. Is it important here? Are you bothered if I take a red, blue, green, white, or if I take a red, white, green, blue? What have they asked? How many ways are there to choose 4 balls? You're least bothered whether I took a red, blue, green, white, or red, white, green, blue, white, or red, white, green, blue. You are not bothered. You're not going to ask me, hey, which order did you take? No. You just needed 4 balls. I gave you 4 balls. You didn't ask me, hey, how many different ways are there to choose first a red ball, second a blue ball, third a green ball, fourth a white ball? No, you didn't ask like that. You see what I mean? You asked, how many ways are there to choose 4 balls? You're just bothered about the 4 balls. You're not worried about the order at all here. It can be RBGW or RWGB or WGBR. It can be any order. You're not bothered about the order. As a result, what would happen is there are 9 colors, right? All these are treated as the same combination. You get it? So if you do it like this, these all will be different combinations. So here, this was permutation. Okay, but in our case, you're least bothered about the order, right? So you need to treat this as same combination, right? What you need to do for that, to cut off the duplicates, you will have to divide by 9 minus 4 factorial. What is that 9 minus 4 factorial? Meaning you're taking out the duplicates. That's what it means. I'm sorry. You have to divide by 4 factorial. Meaning, see, this was, if you do 9 factorial by 9 minus 4 factorial, you will get this. This is permutation, meaning 9p4. But what you need to do is 9c4. Combinations where order is not important, where you're going to avoid the duplicates, because the 4, right, it can be in any order. To cut out the duplicates, you remember for a word foo, how will you reorder them? We did like this, 3 factorial we did, But you remember, we divided by the number of duplicate factorial. That you forgot to do. Number of duplicates will be 4 I'm sorry. Number of duplicates will be 4 factorial here because 4 rearrangement are all duplicates. Do you get it, guys? Diya, Swarit, did you get it? Diya? Harshita, do you get it, ma?
I got it.
Okay, so here just remember, are there any duplicates? Yes, there will be duplicates because they did not ask you in which order. Any order is okay, but any combination of 4 is a duplicate. So you have to see, remember the words bottle. I think I don't want bottle. Okay, this is coming. Okay, icicle. That we did it yesterday, right? Number of ways to rearrange this is 6 factorial. But then you need to divide it to remove the duplicates because C and C are the duplicates, right? And I are duplicates. So you need to divide by 2 factorial, 2 factorial. Like that, here, when you rearrange this RBGW, any combination is for the 4 selected, right? Any combination of the 4 is a duplicate. So you need to divide by the 4 factorial, which becomes combination 9C4. That is the formula. There we say n factorial by n minus r factorial, r factorial. Whereas in permutation, we say n factorial by n minus r factorial. Can I move on? You'll get a hang of it, guys, nicely. Slowly you're getting it already. Okay, this one is an easy one and it is an AMC8 problem. Please, guys, I really want at least 3 or 4 of you to get it. And then slowly others will catch up. Try. Hey, Swarit, how are you doing in school, Swarit?
Uh,
Can you send a message to me? Because we never bothered about your schoolwork, right? Anytime.
in school, we're just like doing like, it's not like slow, but like it's like stuff that I kind of already know.
Okay, so how are your grades? Can you educate me? Because I never asked you about it. I know, okay, till last year we were so bothered. Now that you shifted to different classes like that, right?
Yeah.
Can you send me your approximate grades in chat? I don't need to know exactly, but where are you? Which range are you in?
Okay.
Because just like that, if we keep you into this sort of a little advanced things, right? Are you doing good in school is something I want to know. Yeah, go ahead and try this one, guys. But I hope you are enjoying this as well, Swarit. Go ahead. See, if you don't enjoy, it's very difficult. Yeah, where do we start? Okay. How many integers between 1000 and 9999 have 4 distinct digits? Okay. It's a 4-digit number that we know. This is how we start. It's a 4-digit number. But the thing is, I can't count 1000 because it has 0 repeated. They should have 4 distinct digits. Oh, okay, Swarit. Noted. Thank you. Should I try, guys? Please feel free to let me know I should try because I don't want to waste time as well. But if you want to try, I would like to give you the chance. Is that correct? I need to check. Oh, wow. That's right, Shrikar. Good job. You're getting a hang of Shrikar, please continue more alchemist, Shrikar. Did you do yesterday?
Yeah, a bit.
Okay. See, once you do five problems in each itself, your confidence will increase. But you have to sit and do. Suddenly, it's very difficult to adapt to these problems. Is your multiplication correct, Anika? Your multiplication seems incorrect, Amma. Because you gave me the yeah. Sorry, Anika. Sorry, Anika. You're right. Sorry, ma. Correct, Harshita. See, guys, you're all ramping up so well, but it is taking time, honestly. I am not able to do what I planned, but I'm still happy. Swarit, is that right? Dia, I think there is a multiplication mistake, ma. Can you check? Vishrang, do you want to try, Vishrang? You want to try with me on the board? You can feel free to say yes, no. I'm okay with anything. Samantha, did you try? Swarit, do you want to explain? See, I'm absolutely okay when you make a mistake. If you can shout out what you did, it's so easy. You'll catch up soon. Go ahead, Swarit. You made a mistake, so let me know what you did.
I was thinking like 10 times 9 times 8 times 7.
See, Swarit, yesterday, remember this 10 digit contains a 0.
Yeah.
So what happens? Can it be a 10 here? The first digit can't be 0. It's a distinct digit.
Oh yeah, so it's 9
Ah,
times 9 times 8 times 7.
ah. You got it?
Yeah.
7 nines are 63. 8 nines are 72. Guys,
Do
do
we
you
ha-
know
Do we
what?
have to divide by 4 factorial?
Why, Amma?
Or anything, or like any fact?
Wait.
That's
But you
just
raised a
like,
good question. You don't have to divide because these are 4-digit numbers. A number represented like this is different from a number represented like this.
yeah.
Interchanging them are considered as distinct combinations. You see what I mean?
Yeah.
So permutation only works. Order is important. You cannot avoid the duplicates. These are not duplicates. You see?
Yeah.
So you should not divide here. Am I making sense, guys, where you should divide and where you should not divide?
Sometimes.
No, where are you not understanding? See, how
'Cause
many
like,
you are
'cause-
writing out numbers. In numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 is
yeah,
not
yeah.
equal to 3, 2, 1, 4.
I know,
Okay?
I know. But like the last problem, right? Like
Uh,
that's like the only problem that's been like,
very confusing. Okay,
yeah.
what was that we did? Wait. Let me see what we did. I
It
have a
was
list of
the
what we are
4
doing.
balls, and we had to pick out 4 balls, and then there's 9 different colors.
That's
back.
because, see, in those problems, think about the context. Context means practically think about it. Am I bothered about the order in which I take the balls? No. Similarly, let's say, okay, here you tell me, all of you think about it. There are 5 people in a class. Okay, 5 people in a class. Okay, I'm choosing 2 of them to post in a class in a magazine. I'm choosing 2 of them to post in a magazine. Will you do permutation or combination? Order is important or not?
No.
No. So I will do 5 5 factorial by 3 factorial. You need to divide because order is not important. I can pick A, B. I can pick B, A. Both are the same. So you need to divide by the 2 factorial. Whereas I'm picking a president and a vice president. What should I do there? 5 factorial by
Times.
3 factorial. I cannot make it as a duplicate. Why? Because person 1, person 2. This is a different combination from person 2, person 1 because in one, person 1 is the president. In the second combination, person 2 is the president. You get it?
Yeah.
You're getting,
So, like,
huh?
So like the it's just like the context.
Based on the context. Think about the practical aspect of it. Then you'll understand where it is important and where it is not important. Am I
Okay.
making sense?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's see this one. Before I go, right, okay, we need to do this one, right? Do you all know how to multiply two-digit numbers quickly? Vishrank, you were asking for calculator yesterday, right? You don't have to. See, there is a quick way. This way, it's important that you guys know. You can use it in your school as well. 6372, right? Please listen, guys. This is completely new to you. Just multiplying two-digit numbers. 3 times 2 is what? 6.
6
6 times 2 is 12. 12 plus 21 is what? What is 12
Oh.
plus 21?
plus 21 is
12 plus 21, 21, 31, 32, 33, right? Okay, carry the 3. 6 sevens are 42 plus 3. 45. Answer is this.
45.
See, answer is this. Did you get it, guys? Now,
Wait, so
easy way to remember is vertical and crosswise. Just remember these words. Vertical and crosswise. 63, 72. Vertical, 6. Crosswise, 21 plus 12. Multiply that and add. 21 plus 12 is 33. 3 carry. Then again vertical. 6 ones are 42. 45. You all got it?
yeah.
Now let's try this quickly. 45 times 54. 56. Quick, ma. One of you on the board itself. Start with a
5 times 6
0. Carry 3.
33
25 plus 24. You don't need to sound out. 25.
49
49 plus 3.
52
5 fours are 20.
20 that's 25. So
See how easy it is? Yep. Okay. 95 times 94. Anybody else who wants to try? I'll help you guys. I'm working with you, each of you. So why don't you try? Shout out and try.
5 times 4 is 20. Carry the 2.
36 plus 45.
26.
Is it hard? Okay, wait. 45. From 45 you go. 55, 65, 75.
81.
And then a 6. 81. And then 8 carry. 9 nines are 81 plus 8.
89.
Yeah. Easy?
Yeah.
So this is called vertical and crosswise. Same 3-digit numbers will work, but it takes time. 3-digit numbers will work. I can show you quick, but you need to practice at home. If you waste time on this, I cannot do other work. 3 ones are 3. Again, crosswise. 6. 3 twos are 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. Crosswise I did. Now comes the biggest part. You have to work out a star. You have to work out a star. 9, 10, 4. 9, 10, 4. What is that?
1
9. Wait. 9, 1, 4. 9, 1, 4.
oh
14.
9 1 4
Yep, 1 because 1 times 1 is 1 because
yeah
it's a star.
14
14. And then that's it. We go to the old method. The left star has to be taken into account, meaning 914 was 14, left star. 2, 6, 9. And then 3. Vertical last. You got it, guys? This takes time, guys. Honestly, this takes time. First to practice this and then you can practice this. And then any number ending with a 5, you can square them easily. Do you know that? Any number ending with a square ends with a 25. But then what is the next digit to this? 3. Multiply these two and write out your answer. 55 square. Write the 25. 5 times 6 is what? 30.
30.
75 square, Vishrank. You want somebody
on
to?
the board or like
Yeah, just shout out.
Is it 5,625?
Yes. 5,625. Somebody wants to say something else? 95 square, Vishrank. Blindly put a 25. What next you should do?
72 20
9
oh wait
times
oh wait no, I get
10.
it.
Yeah. As long as you get it, I'm fine. You want to try one more? Vishrank.
This one's 7 to 25.
Yeah. You guys got it? So you have learned 2-3 quick tricks now, right? So good for you. Let's move on. Oh, what happened to this? Oh, did we finish this problem? I don't know whether we finished this problem. What did we do? How many integers between? So basically, there can't be a 0 here. So how many possibilities are there? 9.
9.
9, because you already used one 9 here. And then here order is not important. So I can write out and multiply. This is 8, 7. So answer was 81, 7 8s are 56. I'll go with 81, 56. 6, 48 plus 5 is 53. 5, 8 5s are 40, 45. 45, 36 is the answer.
Yeah, I got 45, 36.
Yep. Yeah, you're all getting a hang of it. That is good, which is good. Okay, I will move on. Yeah, see here, these are combinations with restrictions. These are combinations with restrictions. Let's see this one. Try this one. How many arrangements of the word bottle are there such that two T's and O remain together? They make it harder. Two T's and O remain together. The problem is, guys, here. No, I did not help you with this at all. I want to help you, please. Okay, let's try. Okay. Can I go ahead and try this one? This is a little tricky. Can I try myself? Okay. Think about this. I'm going to try myself. The problem is this one. Okay. You know how many ways you can arrange this together. How many ways you can arrange this? Basically, that is an easy one. But then here they are saying two T's and O remain together, right? So here I can say, this is, see, B, you're going to have that LE, or you're going to have B, L, and then the three together. Or you're going to have B, E, and the three together. Do you see if it starts with B? Or you can have L, the three together, and B, E. You get it, guys? So the three always go together. Okay, so what you can do about this? B, consider these three as one. Consider these three as one. If they want to sit together, two people want to sit together, or three letters go together, take it as one. Now, how many ways this can be arranged now? 4. This can be arranged in 3 different ways. It can be here, it can be here, or it can be here. It can be arranged in 3 ways, the 3 together. And then this can be arranged in 2 ways. This can be arranged in 1 way. So, to rearrange them, there are 4 factorial ways. If you consider these 3 together as one unit, because they're always together. However, within this 0 to t, how many ways they can be rearranged? It can be a T0, or it can be a TOT. See, you have to see how many ways can I rearrange them. 3 factorial by 2 factorial, duplicates are there. So that is 3 ways. So 4 factorial times 3, 4 3s are 12, 12 2s are 24 times 3. Get it, guys? It was tricky because, yeah, a lot of things, meaning we are putting several things together of what we studied. Here, these 3 were considered together. With that, I understood how many possible ways of rearranging. And within that, how many ways the 3 that are grouping together can be rearranged is being multiplied. Am I clear? Okay. This one was a difficult one. That's why I did it. Let's see. Okay. Again, we come to casework counting. Casework counting. Okay, let's try. This one is a casework counting. I want to do some more complementary counting. Okay, let's see. Casework counting we can do. Let me see. Okay, let's see. How about this? This is a 2015 AMC8. See, I am getting you to the AMC problems. See, 2015, they've asked so many combinations. See, this is the third problem we are solving in the same 2015 AMC, all within our reach. The middle school 8 basketball conference has 8 teams. So they had 8 teams. Let me try. Team 1, Team 2, Team 3, Team 4, Team 5, Team 6, Team 7, Team 8. Every season, each team plays other conference team twice. Okay. And each team also plays 4 games against non-conference opponents. This is casework counting, meaning you'll have different cases. So you'll have to add them together. So do you want to try or do you want me to try? This is casework counting. Just put out the cases and find the probabilities in each. What do you want to do? Every season, each team plays other conference team twice. So how do we do that? So will you choose combinations or permutations or how? It does not matter. They can play in any order with any teams. So what happens? And then each team also plays 4 games. There are several cases to be considered. If it is casework counting, then you add each of the cases. So here, let's see. The team is going to play. Each team plays every other team twice. So basically, every other conference team twice. So what happens here? How many ways can you combine them? Basically, there are 8 teams and you're choosing 2 of them. In how many ways can you combine 2 of them? Correct? Right? So what is the first case? The case 1 is with conference teams. Within the conference team, each team will play 8C2. Within the conference team, the number of games that are played is 8C2. Why? Because T1 can play with T2, T3, T4, T5. Here, again, T5 and T1 playing are just the same. So there are duplicates. That is why you're taking combinations. So when I do that, 8C2 means 8 factorial by 6 factorial 2 factorial. 8 factorial is 8, 7, 6 factorial by 6 factorial 2 factorial. This one is
28.
28. Something feels wrong to me here.
Because you divide 2 factorial 8 and then 4 times 7 is 28.
Did I make a mistake? Yeah, but then each team plays. I did not look at this. See? Every other conference team twice, not just one. So what you should do?
28 times 2.
Yeah. So there'll be a total of 56 matches. And after that, non-conference team is the second case. What happens there? Each team, there are 8 teams. They play 4 games. Each team plays 4 games. 32, right? 32 matches. This is 56 matches. So totally, what are they asking? Total number of games in a season involving these teams. So 56 plus 32. Guys, got it?
Yeah, I got it.
It's a little tricky. Okay, we'll solve maybe one more. We'll do this in complementary counting is my honest thought. Complementary counting, we didn't give much heed to complementary counting. Let's see. See, this one is a complementary counting. When will you use complementary counting? Finding that is hard. Complementary counting is the way where you count the opposite of what you want and subtract the total number of pieces, like what we did yesterday. That's a little tricky to understand. Here, if you toss 4 coins, right? See, at least is there. Oh, counting at least one head is going to be very hard. If you toss 4 coins, this can be a headed tail, headed tail, headed tail, headed tail. It can be anything and a combination of anything, right? So there are two chances, two choices, two choices. So how many total number of possibilities are there? How many total number of possibilities are there?
16.
16. You see, that is easy to calculate, 16 total. Here, they're asking for at least one head. So, what is my easy way? No head. How many ways are there to find no heads? How many choices are there for no heads? No heads means what? Head. Huh? Yes, I will have no head and it does 4 coins. Only one way, right? When I have all the heads. Now, at least one head is the opposite of this. So, I subtract both. 15 ways of at least one head. You got it, guys? This is an easy way. It's very difficult to count at least one head. So you go with no head and then subtract it from the total. That is complementary counting. Make sense?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do one more problem and then we'll go for the complementary counting, or one or two more. With that, we'll go. How about this? I want to give you an easy one. See, Venn diagram, you're going to do it by yourself, but I want to do one more complementary counting. Let's see this one. With this, we'll go. I don't want to take too much time to hold on. How about this? If you toss 4 coins, in how many ways will there be at least 2 heads? If you toss 4 coins, at least 2 heads, we can go for complementary counting. But what is the way to complementary count? How many different choices are there? 4 coins, right? How many different total choices? How many total choices? One of you tell me. Total ways. How many total ways? Headed tail, headed tail, headed tail, headed tail, right? So 16 total ways, correct? But we are going to use complementary counting. What is that? How many number of ways for what? At least 2 heads means for no head and 1 head you need to add. No head, 1 head. Both you need to add. These two are what I don't want. I don't want these two.
Wait, doesn't no head mean like all tails?
At least 2, yeah, all tails. So it's only 1, right? All tails is only one possibility,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
Swarit?
Yeah, and then like
One head. One head, let's do it. See, each of this is a problem. So see, we were solving only simple problem. One head means I need one head. So there is only one possibility for this one. It can be in any order, right? So one head and the other two, you can put it with one head. So in this case, how many ways you can throw 4 coins with one head? Tell me. Tell me. 3 should be tails. But 1 can be head. That head can be either here. The head can be either here. The head can be here. Or the head can be here, right? How many possibilities are there? Rest of it are tails. We need. Why ma 16?
no, like there's 16 options and then minus
16 total options are there. But no heads are 1. How many are 1 head?
4.
4. So this is what I don't want. I don't want no head and 1 head. So I will add these to 5 and subtract it from here. 11 ways of at least 1 head. You got it? At least 2 heads. Am I making sense?
Yeah.
So this is, so see, basic counting you know now, counting pairs you know, then basic probability you know, Then complementary counting, you know. Casework counting, you know. So these are techniques that we use in combinatorics or basic problem. We don't know fully. Okay, I tell you, we have not touched anything to the middle even. But the basics, you know. With these basics, for AMC8, if you're given 2 or 3 problems, you'll be able to attempt 1 or 2 for sure. But going a little further, if you practice more, then it's easy to solve AMC8 combinatorics problems. Got it, guys?
Mm-hmm.
Do you think I can stop here?
Yeah.
You can pose answer questions anytime, okay, in the Google Classroom. You're solving AMC8 paper. If you didn't get the answer right, please feel free to ping or bug in Google Classroom. And yet another thing, do you all know that AMC8 problems of previous papers have solutions already in the internet? You don't need to bug me. You can Google out. Do you know how to do that?
Yeah.
Search for the test.
No, AMC8. If you search for past papers, please, watch, guys. Nobody's going to come and tell you, okay? When somebody's telling you, just listen. See?
We can't see your screen.
Oh, sorry. Thank you. Thank you, sorry. I didn't know that you can't. How about this? 1 minute. 1 minute. I don't know. I'm searching for my Chrome. Hold on. Are you seeing my Chrome? No. I don't know what is going on. Really? Share. 1 minute, guys. Wait. Give me 1 minute. I'll show. Then you can do it by your certain things. You should be able to do it by yourself. You don't have to depend on me. Here, you're seeing my screen.
Mm-hmm.
Went to Google AMC8 past papers. First thing that comes up is this. You got it? So
Yeah.
here you have all the papers. Now you go to 2025. You won't have. You're going to attempt that. 24. See, answer key. Key will give you only the answers. Okay. Go to problem 2. See, they have a solution. Different types of solution. You can see whichever is you are able to understand. Okay, let's go to 2015. We solved 3 problems, right? 2015. Let's go to 2015. I'll show you. Whatever problems we solved will be there. What problems we solved today? I don't remember. Wait. I don't know. Let's quickly check. I can quickly check and show you. Hold on. This is not a combinatorics problem. Hold on, guys. I can't do like this. Okay. Wait. Problems. Which one was a problem we solved? We solved some problems, right? How many ways? Let me see ways. This one I wanted to solve. I didn't solve today. Did we do? We did a lot of them. Let's see. Let me quickly check. Wait. See, this we did. Remember, Centerville School, middle school team consists of 2 boys and 3 girls. A photographer wants to take picture in a local newspaper. B1, B2, B3, G1, G2. We did that. Right? So this one. So here, if you want to know how to solve this, you go here. Let's go here. Guys, 4th problem, right? Yeah, see, solutions are given here. If you didn't understand, there are some video solutions too. Got it, guys? These are your tools that you can use by yourself, okay? But yeah, it's very hard to pick it up. The starting point I've given you, right? So you can proceed with this. Okay, any questions for me? Can I stop here? If you have questions, you stay. Otherwise, you can leave.
Okay.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye, ma. Vishrank,
Thank
you're going on vacation, right?
Yeah.
Okay, ma. Bye. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.